Guys, there we have the OPPO A16s, and today I will show you how you can scan your body temperature by the application on this device. So we have to download this app and launch it. Now click skip. And close that. Now go to the simulation section and turn off these switchers. Now just hold your finger here. We have to wait a second again and close that. Here you can see this is my results. If you want to save it, click here and choose save. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.